Hi friends, welcome to Curie Electronics. This is the lecture on trade theory. Today we are learning Ohm's law. What is Ohm's law? Today's lecture is about Ohm's law. What is Ohm's law? This is the third lecture. Today's lecture is about Ohm's law. What is Ohm's law? Okay, so we will start Ohm's law. What is Ohm's law? First, I'll write the definition of Ohm's law. What is Ohm's law? In a closed DC circuit, in a closed DC circuit, in a closed DC circuit, the potential difference developed developed across a conductor or resistor is directly proportional to the current flowing through it. Is directly proportional to the current I current flowing through it flowing through it. But there are two conditions when the this is the basic definition of Ohm's law. Ohm's law. What is this? It's Ohm's law. Ohm's law. Ohm's law. I forgot to write it. Ohm's law. But there are two conditions. Okay, two conditions. This should satisfy two conditions. Other condition. Then only this statement is valid. That is, temperature should remain constant. Temperature constant. We will consider temperature constant. Temperature constant. Then only this Ohm's law is valid. And the second point is the physical dimensions of conductor remain same. Physical dimensions of conductor remains same. Remain same. What does it mean? That means the diameter, length, area, these all of these parameters of the conductor has to be same. So we understood what is the basic definition of Ohm's law. In a closed DC circuit, the potential difference developed across a conductor or resistor is directly proportional to the current flowing through it. Now we'll quickly see what does it mean. Quickly see what does it mean. See, we have a resistor, we have a circuit. Okay, we have a resistor here. All conductors will have resistance. So we can represent with a resistance. We have a battery. Oh, see, here one switch is also there. Switch is a switch. This is a battery voltage V. This will be the plus, this will be the minus. So conventional current will flow from positive potential when the switch is closed. Conventional current I will flow from positive terminal of the battery towards the negative terminal of the battery. Now, as per Ohm's law, this voltage developed here across the resistor is directly proportional This voltage is directly proportional to the current flowing through it. Current flowing through it. And V equal to I into R. If R is the proportionality constant. Proportionality constant. Proportionality. Proportionality constant. That is the resistance. The resistance remains same. So V is given by, now as per the Ohm's law we can write. So this is the thing, when the current I flows through this resistor, there happens a voltage drop. That voltage drop is directly proportional to the this voltage. This voltage drop is directly proportional to the current flowing through the conductor or resistor. That is what Ohm's law says. Now V equal to I into R, that is voltage equal to current multiplied resistance, or we can, if you want R, what we will do, R equal to V by I. V by I. If we need I, V by R. So these three equations we get from Ohm's law. So I think this is one of the basic and fundamental laws of electronics, the Ohm's law. This you should know, because many places to solve complicated problems also we need the help of Ohm's law. So guys, thanks for watching. Please share the video with your friends. We will go to the next lecture.